Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. It's super easy, and I'm going to walk you through both turning them off for everyone and for individual contacts. This is based on my own experience, so let's get started. First, let's disable read receipts for all your contacts. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Messages, and tap on it. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find the Send Read Receipts option. See that toggle? Go ahead and flip it to the off position. Boom. No more read receipts sent to anyone. Okay, now let's say you only want to disable read receipts for a specific person. Open the Messages app and find the conversation with a contact you want to change settings for. Tap on their name at the very top of the screen. You should see a little menu pop up. Look for Send Read Receipts, and toggle that off. And that's it. Now that specific contact won't know when you've read their messages, while read receipts remain active for everyone else. So that's how you turn off read receipts on your iPhone, both globally and individually. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. You can find useful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.